Hi everybody, it's Carrie from KDS Insurance Services. How are you doing this Monday, which happens to be Valentine's Day? So I hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you have a good evening too if you have any nice plans out with your special someone. Wanted to talk to you today and I wanted to talk about how the rates here in Texas, and I have to gather all over the country actually, have changed in the last year. And this is not only your auto insurance, but your home insurance and your umbrella insurance and your boat insurance, and you name it, and you've probably had an increase, unfortunately. And in our industry, this is a very common problem, and it happens normally every renewal. Not all the time, but it does happen normally at renewal, and it's a challenge. It's a challenge for the consumers. I'm a consumer. It's a challenge for the agents. I'm an agent, and it's a challenge for the underwriting departments and the carriers. And what happens a lot of times, insurance, we're spreading the risks. So we belong to a group of other people with similar situations. And so we become a group. It's an actuarial. And then within that group, things happen. And some of the things that are driving the cost of insurance up, you can see in our economy today. We are in the worst economy in 45 years. We have the highest inflation in 45 years. And that's transpired in 1 year. And so if you think just simply about that one fact and how our economy has reversed itself almost 50% with our new administration, then that's going to give you a direct line and a direct result, along with other factors, as to why you are seeing insurance premiums going up. When you have such huge inflation, everything is going to go up, and unfortunately, insurance is included in that. And so what you're seeing right across the top of the board is the effects from our economy. And as we all know, the only way to really affect what happens in our nation is by what happens when we go to the polls and we elect officials that take care of the things that we all need them to take care of. And this is not meant to be a political opinion. This is just strictly what I am seeing. And what I'm seeing is with our new administration, we are looking at the worst inflation, the highest inflation that we've seen in 45 years. That's more than half of my lifetime. And that is a really scary proposition for every single one of us. And the people who are going to feel the effects of this are the younger generations, because if they're single and they're a one household situation, they're not going to be able to do anything except throw money down the toilet by renting. And renting has gotten so ridiculous that that's almost impossible. But this is one of the reasons that we are seeing such a drastic change in our insurance premiums, because our economy is in such bad shape. Another reason that we are seeing such changes in our insurance premiums is because of all of the things that have happened in the last year. We've had snowstorms, we've had floods, we've had fires, we've had hail, we've had sleet. You name it, and the world has thrown it at every single type of policy that's available for you to insure. So when you combine the horrible economy and then you combine the massive amount of claims that has been submitted, it's no wonder the carriers are struggling to keep their rates the way they were a year ago. And I'm not saying it's an excuse. I'm just telling you what I see, and these are the results. And so One of the things that you can do is to be proactive and contact your agent, especially an independent agent like I am. So we have an opportunity to see if there's something out there that has better pricing for you. But I want you to be very realistic, especially now. There may not be anything out there that has better pricing for you. You may have to make changes within your policy, change your deductible, lower your limits. And I hate to say that, but that's just the honest truth of where we are in this situation today. So you need to work with your agent and see what other options you have available. If you have other carriers that are available, or whether you have changes that you can make within your current policy situation to help you with the increase in premium. The only way that this is going to get under control is if our economy gets under control. And I know that is not what you want to hear. It's not what I want to hear, but it is the truth. And I am dedicated to educating you so you're a better consumer, so you understand how insurance works, why it works the way it does, and the factors that affect insurance. And unfortunately, right now, the biggest contributing factor is our pathetic, horrible economy. So get with your agent. Don't get discouraged. We just all have to be very proactive about making the changes that we need to make so we can affect change, so we can take our economy back, so we can take control of our pocketbooks back. And we do need to do that on the very local level. It starts with you and it starts with me. And we have to be dedicated and make a commitment that we're going to facilitate the changes that we need to make to get our economy back in the state that it was in just over a year ago. And we have to continue to work together too. That's a really, really important statement, and I hope that it resonates, because we all have to work together in this country and in this world to make it a better place. So I appreciate you stopping by today. Please stop by my channel anytime. My videos are here for you. They're for your educational purposes only. They're my opinions, and they're my opinions based on over 40 years in this business. And I hope they help you. I hope they make you better informed, and I hope they answer some questions that you may have. Of course, you can always reach out to me via my YouTube channel, which is Carrie Devlin Scroggins. So please stop by, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you know the next time I post a video. You can also reach me at KDS Insurance Services and all over social media. I am all over social media, so there is definitely a way that you can reach me. And I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope you have a great rest of the week. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I do appreciate your time. Bye-bye.